Hello everybody and welcome to another Tyler Titan Spiro video. So today we are doing the Nature Box video. I just got it in today and right before this video I was trying to record it and the recording stopped. So I now have to re-record this video. So that's why the bags are open. I was on my fourth bag in the other video, so now I have to restart. So this is how it comes. Don't want to show you guys my address. More people showing up. So this is Nature Box. So today we are doing the first bag honeycomb sunflowers. It's the 7th inning stretch and you start to feel the snack effect coming on. Strike out those overly salty peanuts and instead munch on the sunflower kernels. A tiny bit sweet, a tiny bit salty, the sweetest snack is a home run. The only thing that could make it sweeter is the landslide victory for your team. So these are honeycomb sunflower kernels, but you can't see that. But now let's gonna try it. You can really taste the honeycomb. Now, if you guys like sunflower seeds, I would highly consider getting these. Oh, and before I forget, I'm going to put a link down in the description of the code that I used to get this free box. So the link will be down in the description. So if you guys want your free box, you get it your first free box free, and then but you can only get 3 or 5 bags. That's what I got, and this is my first box. So yeah. So the link will be down in the description. The next one I will be doing is the cranberry pita crisp. Snack time. What do you do on a Monday afternoon when your busy day and snack attacks are at their utmost peak? Sneak off to that kitchen cupboard and reach for these crisps. Crunchy, substantial, and oh so slightly sweet. You'll be amped up to tackle the rest of your day in no time. Unless to do list, it's a breeze. So these are cranberry pita crisps. Now this caught my eye because it said cranberries, and I love cranberries. So this is what it looks like. It's a little hard. This has 5 grams of sugar. The other one had 4 grams of sugar. This one had 4 grams, 5 grams. I really like this. It's really good. Okay, next up are these praline pumpkin seeds. Snack time. The training it's pouring this tasty snack is totally reassuring. Crawl back under the covers, turn on your favorite rainy day movie, and curl up with a bowl of beef sweet. Crunchy pumpkin pie spice, everything nice. They'll have you wishing for cuddle weather every day. This has 13 grams of sugar. What it looks like. Oops, it's tiny. If you want a bigger, these are what they look like. You can really taste the pumpkin spice in this. So if you guys like pumpkin spice, I love this. If you guys like pumpkin spice, I would highly consider trying it. Okay, next one. If you guys like cookies, you sure will like these. Whole wheat chocolate chip cookie bites. Now, I love cookies and snack time. These bite-sized chocolate chip cookies are made with rolled oats and whole wheat flour and baked to crunchy perfection. We balance the fiber and sugar for a perfectly delicious, satisfying cookie. Take a trip down memory lane and satisfy your sweet craving with this spin on a classic treat. Now this one has 6 grams of sugar. And this is those cookies. Now this is what the cookie looks like. Mmm. For those of you who have never tried this cookie and want to try it, it's really good. I highly consider it. I'm getting so close to this camera. And the last and final Nature Box bag is these apple cinnamon crunch. Now these as I drop the bag. Apple cinnamon crunch. No, they sound so good. This has 10 grams of sugar. Snack time. Some situations were made for savory snacks. Sometimes only a sweet snack will do. But when you crave those, you can't go wrong with apple cinnamon crunch. A little sweet, a little salty, this slightly cinnamon snack is the perfect late afternoon pick-me-up when your to-do list starts to bag you down. Apple cinnamon crunch. Okay. It's like a little bit like trail mix. Really good. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see more, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Like this video, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.